Let's go.
Hello and welcome to Soul Food Cooking. Today I'll be making honey glazed ham. Preheat your oven to 325 degrees. You will need 1 spiral cut ham, 2 cups of honey, 2 cups of brown sugar, 1 cup of dark corn syrup, 1/4 teaspoon of nutmeg, 1/2 teaspoon of cinnamon, and 1/2 teaspoon of ground cloves. Place your ham in a baking dish, then cover with aluminum foil. Transfer it to your preheated oven and allow it to cook for 30 minutes. Using medium heat, bring a pot to temperature, then add your honey and corn syrup. Now add your brown sugar, nutmeg, cinnamon, and cloves, and mix until your sugar has dissolved. After 30 minutes, remove the ham from the oven, then pour in your glaze. If you'd like a printable version of this recipe, please visit my website at soulfoodcooking101.com. A link is in the description below. Return your ham to the oven, then allow it to cook for 1 hour, basting every 20 minutes. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe to Soul Food Cooking.
Hello.